Hello friends, welcome to our channel Language Aquarium. Today in this video we will write and learn 10 examples of simple past tense. So let's get into the video. Number 1. I lost my keys in the park. Number 2. We enjoyed the picnic very much. Number 3. You called me in the morning. Number 4. He played cricket with his friends. Number 5. Tom painted a beautiful picture. Number 6. She cooked a delicious meal yesterday. Number 7. They built a sand castle at the beach. Number 8. It rained heavily last night. Number 9. The cat chased the mouse. Number 10. My brother cleaned his room yesterday. That's it for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked my video, please give it a like, and if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe to watch more new videos. See you in the next video.